Hi, friends. Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. Till now, I have created around 50 videos on technical analysis, which has the basics of technical analysis and some advanced strategies in technical analysis. Now, somebody who want to understand technical analysis, if they go through all these videos, they will surely be able to understand what technical analysis is. Like what is a chart, what is a candlestick, what's candlestick pattern, chart pattern, support resistance, moving averages, oscillators, and different kind of strategies. So I have discussed almost all these things in multiple videos because my goal is very clear. I do not want to create one long video where everything is put and it becomes so long and boring that people just stop watching it in between. So the idea is to create small videos so you understand one concept very clearly. Now I want to move towards fundamental analysis. Now, when you talk about forex, there is a different set of fundamental analysis for forex trading. When you talk about crypto trading, that is cryptocurrency trading, there is a different set of analysis for cryptocurrency trading. When you talk about stock trading, there is a different kind of analysis for stock trading. For example, when you talk about currency trading, you are looking at the economy of a country. You're looking at employment rate. You're looking at unemployment rate. You're looking at production. So you're looking at announcements that is given by the central bank governors. So there are many things that you have to look when you're looking at forex trading. Now, forex trading can be done in two ways. One is purely technical, and second is by following fundamental trading. Same is the case with cryptocurrency. When you talk about cryptocurrency, there are different aspects starting from its white paper. Which currency can do well, why it is doing well, what is happening in that currency, how is people reacting in the social media on that particular currency. When I say currency, it's cryptocurrency. What is happening all around it plays a very important role when you're talking about cryptocurrency also. So there are fundamental aspects that you can monitor other than technical analysis before entering into a trade in cryptocurrency. And same is the case when you talk about stocks. So when you talk about stocks, there are things like what is the balance sheet? What are the profits of the company? If the profits are shown, is it the right kind of profit, profit from its operations, or profit coming from investments or some financial activities? You have to understand those things. If you only look at the net profit figure, you will get a false idea about the company. You need to understand where that money is coming from. Then you also need to check the management, whether the management is a professional management or not. How do you check those things? Then you need to look at the product, whether it's a growing product, futuristic product. Then you have to look at the sector, whether that sector is developing, whether it is linked to a developing sector, or whether the government is supporting that particular sector. There are many things that you have to see. So when you talk about fundamentals, whether it is forex, whether it is cryptocurrency, or whether it is stock, there is an in-depth analysis of all these things. So in coming videos, we are going to check one by one. As I said, I do not want to create any long videos. So one by one, we will cover every single aspect. Now in this video, I want to cover from forex. Now friends, this is the website which I was talking about for forex fundamentals. So the name of the website is forexfactory.com/calendar. Now you can see that the dates are given and currency pairs are given, and the impact that it will have on the currency pair is given, and what kind of news is going to be released, that is given, and the details about the news is given. Next is what is the outcome, the actual outcome that is given, what is the forecasted outcome that is given, and what is the previous outcome that is given. So there are three types of impacts. Number one impact is the yellow impact. Yellow means low impact. The second type of impact is red impact. Red impact means high impact. Okay, so these are two types of impacts, and there is a third one, which is medium impact. Okay, so there is low impact news, there is medium impact news, and there is high impact news. And all three are given by colors. So yellow is low impact, orange is medium impact, and red is high impact. And the details about it. So for example, if I click on this folder over here, it will open and it will say that what is the source S&P Global, measures, okay, usual effect, frequency, next release, and all the details related to that is given. What were the previous information about the same news is also given. Okay, and related stories are also given. So when you click on this folder, all this information related to that currency or the currency pair will be given, which will help you to understand that if the actual outcome is better, which direction the currency pair is going to move. If the actual outcome is not good, then which direction the currency pair is going to move. Now remember that a currency pair movements depend on multiple factors. You will see that in one day there is 7:15 there is a high impact news and 7:30 there is a high impact news. So one news can cause the currency pair to become weak and the other news can cause the currency pair to become strong. So it is not only the fundamentals that you have to monitor, but also the technicals you need to monitor. But forexfactory.com is one website which will give you all the information of the currency pair that you're trading. Now remember, I always say that you should not trade in all the currency pairs. You pick up a few, maybe two or three currency pairs, and you become a master in it. You monitor its news, you check its technical movements, you check its patterns, you check the candlestick movements, you check everything on those two or three currency pairs and become an expert in it. All right, friends. So I hope that you monitor forexfactory.com and understand every single news related to the currency pair that you're trading in. It will surely help you to become a better trader. All the best. All right, friends. So looking at this video, I'm sure that you have understood how are you going to read the fundamentals of the forex currency pair. Okay, it's very, very important to look at these fundamentals because sometimes the direction of the market changes and we are not aware why it is changing. Because if you know that because of a fundamental shift, if the market is changing its direction, you can sit in that direction for a longer period and make good profits from that currency pair. Remember, earning money from the financial markets require a lot of patience, practice, and persistence. So you need to make sure that you put in all these three things, whether you're trading using technical analysis or whether you're trading using fundamental analysis. Friends, I have written a book, Traders You Can Win, but First Learn to Lose. This book talks about technical analysis and my experience in the financial markets. So if you're interested in buying this book is available in Amazon in Kindle. And friends, if you love the way I'm creating content, please like and share these videos. So like you, there might be many others who want to learn trading, also understand the fundamentals behind trading. These videos will surely help them to improve their trading as well as the understanding of that financial instrument. Friends, I have created a lot of videos till now. And in coming times, I'll be creating many more videos, especially in the financial markets and different aspects of the financial markets. So if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. so that every time I create a new video, you will be the first person to be notified about it. And friends, all I can say is keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Namaskar.